The meteoric rise of the most versatile world champion ever. Combine an Indian-origin chess player and Filipino coaching, the two unheard-of countries in the chess world. What happens then? You get Viswanathan Anand, a five-time chess world champion and the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting award in India. Born on 11th December 1969 in Mayiladuthurai, Tamil Nadu, the slumbering chess giant in Viswanathan Anand was greatly influenced by his mother, Shashila, a chess aficionado. He began learning chess at the age of 6 under her supervision, but it was in Manila, where the family had shifted in 1978, that he would learn the game's intricacies. Anand's rise as a chess player was nothing short of extraordinary, with his first success coming early at the age of 14 with the Sub-Junior Championship in 1983. His exploits with the Indian national team in the 26th Chess Olympiad secured his second international chessmaster title. The 1985 Asian Junior Championship in Hong Kong and the National Chess Championship a year later, and finally with the Shakti Finance International Chess Tournament at the age of 18, where he defeated the Russian grandmaster Efim Geller. Anand became India's youngest chess master. So, what is behind his meteoric rise in the chess world? Many attribute it to his rapid playing style, which made him earn the title of Lightning Kid during his career in the 1980s. He also possessed a deep understanding of the game, allowing him to quickly grasp tactical patterns. Many affluent to the sport described him as the most versatile player ever, with successes in every format of the game. In the 1994 Candidates Tournament, Anand entertained the chess world as he dealt away with the likes of Adams and Oleg Romanishin. In the final, held in Las Palmas, he was pitted against Kamsky in a 12-game bout. Although he lost the first game, nervy wins in games 3, 9, and 11 ended the match on a 6.5 to 4.5 victory for him. With his first Candidates Tournament victory, Anand qualified for a match against reigning champion Garry Kasparov for the World Chess Championship. The 20-game World Championship match was held in 1995 in the World Trade Center in New York City. The highly anticipated match began with a record 8 consecutive draws before Anand took the initiative in Game 9 and broke through Kasparov's Sicilian defense. A poor show in the next 5 games against Kasparov's invincible Sicilian Dragon defense cemented a final score of 10.5 to 7.5 in favor of the defending champion. Anand's next shot at the title came 3 years later in 1998. The format was revised, thoroughly making it a 100-player knockout tournament. Much to the chagrin of many chess players around the world, Karpov, the defending champion, was given a spot directly into the final, scheduled 3 days after the conclusion of the tournament, handing him a significant physical advantage over his adversaries. Without both Kasparov and Kramnik, Anand entered the tournament as the top seed. His run in the championships saw victories over future FIDE champion Alexander Khalifman, Zoltan Almazy, Alexei Shirov, and Boris Gelfand. In the final against 9th seed Michael Adams, a weary Anand managed to hold his nerve and prevailed in a sudden death blitz to secure a 3-2 victory. With just 4 hours of match preparation, Anand began his bout for the championships with a first-game loss to Karpov, the defending champion. Despite winning Game 2 from a disadvantaged position, the title would continue to elude him as his fatigued mind and body eventually gave way to a fighting Karpov with a scoreline of 3-5. In December 2000, at the FIDE World Chess Championship Tournament hosted jointly by New Delhi and Tehran, Anand got his 3rd attempt at the crown. With a boisterous home crowd rallying behind him, Anand blitzed past the early rounds before a brutal fight with defending champion Alexander Khalifman, where he eventually prevailed in a tiebreaker. His steady nerves confirmed another final appearance for him. The final match played in Tehran pitted Anand against 4th seed Russian Shirov. After drawing the first game, Anand won consecutive games to open a healthy lead before closing it out in the 4th game. His first World Championship run saw him remain unbeaten throughout the tournament and become the first champion from Asia. The Indian government welcomed him with the Padma Bhushan, India's 3rd highest civilian award, to add to the Padma Shri he won at the age of 18. Since then, it was a matter of maintaining his scintillating form on the world stage. Anand secured the World Blitz Cup in 2000, followed by 2 FIDE World Rapid Chess Championships in 2003 and 2017. His successes made him the undisputed chess champion in 2007. His highest recognition came with his appointment as the deputy president of FIDE in 2022.